Many people have the habit of skipping through videos and not learning anything. Then they claim the tutorial was useless. But this video will take you to the next level. If you didn't fully understand something, feel free to ask your question in the comments of this tutorial, and we'll move forward together. This tutorial is without voiceover and unnecessary explanations, and I'll show you how to create professional mockups and adjust colors so you can earn well in the graphic design world. Just watch carefully and practice along with me in Photoshop. The link to the practice image is in the description.
Ideas, graphics. 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 Graphics, yeah. Ideas, graphics, ideas, graphics, ideas, graphics, ideas, graphics, yeah. Ideas, graphics, graphics, ideas, graphics, graphics, yeah. Ideas, graphics, ideas, graphics. Ideas, graphics. Ideas, graphics. Ideas, graphics. Ideas, graphics. Ideas, graphics. Yeah. Ideas, graphics. Ideas, graphics, ideas, graphics, ideas, graphics, ideas, graphics, yeah. Ideas, graphics, ideas, graphics, ideas, graphics, ideas, graphics, yeah.
If you find these tutorials useful, be sure to share them with your friends, and let me know what tutorials you'd like, and I'll prepare them for you.
Ideas, graphics. Ideas, graphics. Ideas, graphics. Ideas, graphics. Graphics, ideas, graphics, ideas, graphics, ideas, graphics, ideas, graphics, ideas, graphics. Ideas, graphics, ideas, graphics, ideas, graphics, ideas, graphics, yeah. Ideas, graphics, ideas, graphics, ideas, graphics, ideas, graphics.